Alright, yo, tutorial video, how to use Eclipse, easy, right? First, let me show you how to set it up. You're gonna go to this little settings wheel right here. You're gonna ignore everything else, but you have to make sure you have your cookie and your API key like placed, because now it's not gonna work how it should, right? To get your cookie, easy. You get the easiest way is to get this plugin right here. So you pin it, click it. You go to roblox security. You copy all of this stuff. You go back to settings. You paste it here. Save settings, right? And then that's one. And then to get your API key, you go to just go to like audio. You put get key, right? And you create API key, name it anything, blah blah blah. You go here. You go to assets, right? You put read, you put write, and then you just save and create key. I'm not gonna do it because I already have one, but it's gonna give you a long ass key, and then you just copy it and place it where it goes here in settings, right here. You place it here and you save settings, right? Alright, but so here's where you scan all the animations. So you got the plugin, you get the plugin right here where it says plugin button, and then yeah, you install it, get it like going in the game you want to spoof, and then let's just do animations just to show y'all. So waiting for agent, boom, 365, right? You run upload, you go to log. Then when you get all these yellow ones, it means the ID is not an actual animation, so it skips it. So it looks up for all the creators of all the animations, and then I'll start the download process, the DL. And you just wait for that to be done, and then it's gonna do the upload process, the UL, which is uploading the IDs to your account, so they're actually yours. And then you just wait for this to be done. Just give it a little second. You can skip this part, skip a couple seconds, there you go. And then you'll see that 64 out of 365, that's because most IDs that it scanned, it was not animations. So everything was good, right? And then you just go back to studio, you click remap all. I'm gonna show you right here. Let me see if I can find like an animation ID. I don't think I can find one here. It doesn't matter. But like it'll still work. You just click remap all, boom. And it's gonna remap everything. See? All these IDs, these are the old ones and these are the new ones in your account. So after you did that, you just click Control S, it's gonna save the game and you can play it and it'll work. And to use Wizard, really easy. You just studio, scan all. It's gonna scan everything. Boom, 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 right? You click here, scan, and that's everything the game has. So by clicking these, you just select what you want to spoof and what not. So just to make it quick, I'm gonna click these two, run full clone. It's gonna spoof the meshes. If it even works, cause sometimes some games the mesh doesn't work, cause they're probably just gun decals and stuff. See, it's gonna do products. It's creating the game. Product is the game passes. So see, done. When it said 4 skip, it's probably not actually meshes. So yeah, and then you just do the same thing. You go to studio, remap products if you did product, remap all, blah blah blah. And then this option right here, the file person thing. You just go, if you have a file downloading, you just drag it to the spoofer. You let it go here. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Let's go here. Yeah. Where is it? Bruh. Save file as, right? Now you put it like this. Put save. Then now you can drop it in. make sure it's this RBXLS, and see like it literally scans the whole thing without you even having to have Studio open, right? So you get spoof and it's gonna spoof and it's gonna give you the file already spoofed. So you just open it, is good to go. You know that's the best feature my spoofer has. So audio, the same thing. Put the same key, and then scan for audios in Studio. You just put audio. It's gonna scan all the audios it has, and you just spoof it. Same with meshes. Same with game passes and stuff. The hub is just a bunch of files that people like upload. And you can just download them, and you can also upload your own thing. Exclusive files, my own files that you can buy. They're really good. This one's really good. It's really like it's fully scripted, fully ready for you to use. A leaderboard just I don't know, it's just dumb, but like content I guess. Group, put load my groups is gonna automatically get all the groups you own. You select whatever group your game is uploaded to if you upload it to a group, and then that's it. You just go and spoof it normally how I showed you. The logs here where everything tells you if there's any errors, whatever. Change logs is the remapping that you did. History is just the the times you spoofed and like the little information that it gives you. That's pretty much it, man. And then if you wanna get more, if you wanna put like an alt account, you just click this here. You put create. You put a name. Just put like alt create. And then that's pretty much it, man. It's really easy. You can just delete it. Boom. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Simple as that. It's really easy to use. So yeah.